The Wolf and the Lamb. One day, a lamb was eating sweet grass away from her flock of sheep. It began to enjoy the fresh and delicious grass that it found there. Being very mischievous, the little lamb wandered some distance away from the flock. She didn't notice a wolf walking nearer to her. When the lamb realized that it had lost its way and was far away from the flock, it decided to return and join them. However, the lamb was stunned to see a hungry and cunning wolf standing behind it. When she saw the wolf, she started pleading. "Please, don't eat me. My stomach is full of grass. You can wait a while to make my meat taste much better. The grass in my stomach will be digested quickly if you let me dance." The wolf agreed. While the lamb was dancing, she had a new idea. She said, "I can dance faster if you take my bell and ring it so hard." The wolf took the bell and started to ring so hard. The shepherd heard the sound and ran quickly to save the lamb's life. Thanks you for watching.